Just saying, guys, you must watch this entire video fully to understand why this is bad quality right now. Alright, so my I've been in a little bit of trouble lately, so I can't upload videos or buy packs, but just listen here. I am getting a much better much better video camera with a tripod and stuff. I'm buying it off Amazon. It's the Cameleo H30 or something like that. I know they're better cameras, but they're just a little bit too pricey. But this is like right in my range. It's like $130. I have the money. The tripod, like equipment stuff, is only $20, so it's gonna get 1080p quality, guys. I'm probably gonna be getting more packs with my own money, but yeah. So I'm sorry for no updates or no new openings, but I do have some pre-recorded videos on the old camera I was using, but I just didn't want to use it because it takes a while to upload. But yeah, so I'll probably upload those videos maybe within a week or so. I should be buying my camera again within a week or so, right off of Walmart, not Walmart, Amazon.com, so I can get the 2-day shipping, and then I'll start recording videos once I buy new packs. So please continue watching my videos, guys. I'm sorry for this crappy video, but again, great videos are coming. I can guarantee it. 1080p quality. So see you guys. Tell me what like content you want me to have in the videos upcoming, and like what other stuff you want to see from me. If you already like what I'm doing right now, perfect. Click the like button right there. Again, if you like what I'm doing right now, click the subscribe button right there. To check out all my other previous videos, especially me opening the EX Showdown box. That's a really good video. I got cool aim frost pull. But yeah, so yeah, just tell me what you guys want to see in my upcoming videos, and then yeah, guys, comment in the comment section below. Bye.